Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to set background image in Google Sheets. Want to add a background image to Google Sheets? While Google Sheets doesn't have a built-in background image feature like Excel, you can create a similar effect. Start by clicking Insert, then Drawing, and upload or paste the image you want to use. After saving the drawing, you'll notice that the picture sits on top of the cells and can block your data. To make it easier to work with, reduce the image's opacity before adding it. You can do this using an image editor or even Google Docs by selecting the image, opening the image adjustments, and lowering the transparency to your preferred level. Then insert the transparent version back into Google Sheets through Insert, Drawing, and position it where you want. With a partially transparent image, you'll still be able to see and enter data in your spreadsheet while keeping the image visible in the background. This is a handy way to add logos, templates, or decorative elements to your sheet. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.